Hey there everyone, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this Benchmade Mini Crooked River folding pocket knife. The Crooked River has been around Benchmade for some time now, and this is the mini version of the larger Crooked River, and it's a mid-sized knife, comes in at 7.89 inches. I've been wanting to include this knife in my stable or my collection for some time, and I finally gave the $92 to Blade HQ and picked one up, and I'm very happy I did. Some people I've read call it the perfect knife, and I certainly would give it high recommendations. The blade length is 3.4 inches overall length. And it has a height of 0.94 inches with a blade thickness of 0.11. The blade material is CPM S30B. And it's just a really cool design. Love this knife. Fits in my large to extra large hand very well. It's a clip point blade design with a satin finish, very nice finish, plain edge, smaller sharpening choil with dual ambidextrous thumb studs. The knife opens very nicely. It's great. And it closes with the famous Benchmade access slot. The handle is 4.5 inches long, really cool handle with varied materials. It has a diamond wood inlay. With aluminum bolsters and an orange, I think it's fiberglass back spacer. The handle width is 0.52 inches and the height is almost 1 inch. The weight is 3.29 ounces, so it's fairly light. It is right or left hand carrying clip capable with a tip up carrying design. The blade is centered perfectly in the handle. It's a manual opening. The Benchmade Mini Crooked River. The model of this one, the Mini, is 15085-2. Has a stainless steel liner that has been skeletonized. Lanyard hole. Has heavy jimping on the stainless steel liner at the thumb ramp type area. Just a great design. I love this knife. I'm glad I finally broke down and included it in my collection, my stable. Feels very nice. Which it should for the $190 price. You would hope you're going to get nice quality for that price, and it certainly is. It's a great knife. I love it. So I would give it high recommendations. It is the Benchmade Mini Crooked River. So there we go, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel by hitting this little button right here. And I hope to see you back again soon. All right, bye now.